Hey there, this is Roof Repair Fairfax. We specialize in commercial and residential new roof installs and repairs. This is our opening video for our YouTube channel, just kind of letting you know that our brand new website is out and live and ready for you to go view. So if you're looking at this video, go ahead and do yourself a favor and go on over to www.roofrepairfairfax.org and check out our website and see what we've got to offer. We've got tons of content on here letting you know exactly what we do and what kind of new roofs we can install for you or what kind of damage we can help repair with your existing roof. So go ahead and check the website out and get back to us with our email forms or go ahead and give us a call.